Creating a color palette in Sketch is pretty easy. So, for example, I usually use this Q layer from Adobe. It lets you create easily color palettes without much effort. So, for example, if we pick this green here, okay, let's say that this is our colors for the app or the website. In order to move that to Sketch, you can do it with a screenshot. So let's do a screenshot of this part. And once we have the screenshot, we go back to Sketch and we add the image. So as you can see, we have the image here with all the colors. What you can do now is you create any shape, for example, the rectangle, and then you go to Fill and you start picking the colors. So you pick the first one and you hit the plus. You get the second one, plus again, third one, plus, fourth one, plus, and the last one, plus. So now if we can delete that, and whenever we are designing our application, we can go to our palette of colors here. So we can choose the color that we want from our different set of colors. Another thing that it's common to have is that you have a design from another designer or from a freelancer, or you got a design from a resource. For example, I have here this screen. This is from the Google Material Design. So imagine that we want to base our designs into these colors that we have here, based on the existing colors. So one thing that Sketch 3 does really well is it gets the colors from the actual screens, the most used colors in what you have in the screen. So again, let's create a rectangle, for example, so we can manipulate this. And when we go to Fill, we can see here the most used colors in the document. So now we can keep choosing them and we can keep adding them like we did before. So for example, here, 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 and we will be building our palette of colors. If you make some mistake or you want to remove one, it's just as easy as dragging from here and it will be removed. Remember that, as we said previously, the colors are shared across all Sketch and not across documents. So these colors will be everywhere in all your documents of Sketch.